Overnight, the world changed for everyone.
Working from home setups, kits, everything they need.
But these new challenges have fueled our passion for the mission.
Our mission to fulfill our promise to you.
Here we got her hand slamming against the wall.
To finish what we started.
It's about shot composition and
to reassemble the Avengers.
Up until this point, what we see of Kamala is...
We're reminded every day how important it is to connect.
Because whatever the mission, we can accomplish it together.
Together, we are smarter.
Resilient.
Determined.
Mighty.
Brave.
Unstoppable.
Because we are stronger together.